In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website on Weebly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with website building, publishing your website is the crucial step that brings your work live on the internet, making it accessible to everyone. So let's dive in and walk through the process. To begin with, navigate to the Weebly dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the overview page, which provides a snapshot of all your projects. This is your starting point for any editing or publishing activities. From here, find the option that says website. Clicking here will direct you to a more detailed section dedicated to the management and editing of your site. After selecting website, the next step is to click on edit site. This option takes you directly into the website editor where the magic happens. The Weebly editor is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easier for you to design your perfect site without any hassle. Once inside the editor, look for the edit button, which signifies the part where you can make any final adjustments or changes to your website. This is the perfect time to review your content, ensuring everything looks just right. Now that you've finalized your content, the next step is to publish your site. Find the Publish button within the editor. Clicking Publish is what transforms your hard work into a live website on the internet. At this moment, you might feel a mix of excitement and nervousness, but rest assured, publishing on Weebly is designed to be seamless and straightforward. Once you click on the Publish button, you will be prompted to enter your domain name. This is a key part of the process, as your domain name is essentially the address of your website on the web. Take a moment to consider the domain you want, ensuring it reflects your brand or the purpose of your site. Type in the desired domain, but if you haven't decided on one yet or need a custom domain, Weebly offers options to guide you in purchasing or selecting a domain that fits your needs. After entering your domain, confirm your choice, and just like that, your website is live. It's as simple as those few clicks, yet immensely powerful, because your website can now reach anyone, anywhere. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your live site, ensuring everything displays perfectly as you intended. Congratulations on taking this significant step to publish your website on Weebly. With your site now live, you're all set to share it with the world, whether it's to inform, entertain, or conduct business. Remember, the Weebly dashboard remains your resource for any future updates or edits you might want to apply. Thank you for watching, and happy website editing.